Hey, welcome back, my fellow humble investors. This is me, ET, and remember, not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about great companies. You guys know I love talking about Humbl. Now, this past week, what a week! A lot of chaos, a lot of stuff going on. The market's just dropping like it's hot. You got the crypto market dropping, stock market dropping. It was a mess. You got CEOs out there selling billions of shares of their own stock. Elon Musk, what? Just recently, again, 10 billion shares. You got Jeff Bezos selling billion shares. You had a jobs report that came out that was dismal. And then you got these companies talking about delisting from the US. These China companies, like Didi, and you got all of that going on. In addition to that, we're getting the time of the year where tax harvesting goes on to offset some of their taxes by some of their gains by their losses. You got the CV variant, the new CV variant that's out there that's causing a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. All of that FUD. But keep this in mind, December 3rd, we didn't see a mass dilution of Humbl stocks, thanks to Brian Foote. With all of this chaos going on, guys, let me tell you what, Humbl Nation, this is one thing we don't do. We don't flinch. He fakes the ball. I mean, somebody in a magic uniform. What we do is we sit back, relax, save our money, and get ready to go on the offense. Sit back and watch everything that's going on right now. Hear all of this noise, but don't pay attention to it. Because we're in a company that's building one block at a time. Don't mistake a dismal stock price for Humbl as the company. Like I said last week, the stock price is not Humbl, and Humbl is not the stock price currently. The company is building. Stock price is falling. What we do in Humbl Nation, devoted Humbl Nation members, what we do is we accumulate. We accumulate these shares at these prices. So that way, whenever the stock price catch up to what's really going on with the company, the trajectory of the company is like this. When the stock price stops going down and starts heading with the company, guess what? We'll be in a much better financial place. Guys, let's take a look at any news that happened within Humbl Nation last week. Take a look at the price action. Okay. We'll take a look at my position in Humbl, my position in the ETXs, and we'll call it a wrap. That's right, Humbl Nation. We don't flinch. Let's take a look and see what happened in Humbl Nation last week. All right, this here was on their their Twitter account here. It's not too late to purchase tickets. As we already know, we've got the college conference finals that are coming up and the playoffs, college playoff. Football is wrapping up so far as an NFL. So this is a great place to get tickets, a whole lot cheaper than all the other ticket purchasing venues out there. So we need to really need to promote this on a much wider basis than just on Twitter. All right. It's also letting us know it's trying to promote people to give NFTs for Christmas. Brian Foote is in Santiago, Chile, down there cultivating new business. And then for the actual price action for last week, here we have it. On Friday, it opened at 41 cents, closed at 43 cents. Might as well say 43 cents. We see the volume on Friday was 5.8 million. That was about, not quite, but close to half of the 10-day average of 10.1. For the 5 trading days last week, we see
Well, it's obvious we had uh, a declining trend line for the 5 days. All right, the shorts on Friday, they were at 38, might as well say 39% of the total volume there. You can see what's going on there. Like I said, anything above 20% is too high. And Humbl is number two on the 50 most search stocks within the last 72 hours, based upon lion.com. And my current position, I didn't add any positions to Humbl last week, so I'm still at 12,500 shares. I'm down 67%. Fortly, I'm down 71%. Not a problem. Diamond hands. We move on. This here is my Humble Financial ETX. I did add some money to my ETX last week. I had a total of about $900. So I got my cost basis up to $2,800, and as you can see, the current value is at 2477.93. I am down 12%. This is a month-to-month chart so that you can see the ETX current value. It looks like it's going up. That's because I added $900 last week. This is tracking the current value. It is not a profit and loss. Here's a block for the profit and loss, currently down $322.07, and that equates to a 12% net loss.
So there you have it. Down in both Humbl and also my ETX in crypto. Not worried about it because bottom line is this here. The overall market is down. I can tell you this. Market goes down, but it also goes up. All you got to do is just take a look at any long-term chart, S&P 500, NASDAQ, or the Dow, or even the Russell 2000. And what you're going to notice is that, yes, we have these moments. We have corrections, we have drops, we have crashes, we also have recovery. So that's why I say let's sit back, see what's going on, get our money ready, and be ready to get back in there and deploy some of that money when things starts to go up the other way. But also keep this in mind too. One of the things that we have to realize is that we're on the path from moving out of the OTC pink to the OTC QB. So we're moving on up, as the Jeffersons always said. We're moving on up. After the QB, QX, after the QX, NASDAQ. Guess what, guys? Let's go ahead and keep our composure. Don't flinch. You don't lose anything until you sell it. And let's see what happens this coming week. Guys, I will see you next week. Take care.